Little road service, fuel issue. Mike's got the pump off here. Putting the gasket on, filters, fuel. Here's the old fuel pump. Here's the new fuel pump. Old fuel pump. That's no good. This one. Can barely turn it with one finger without it moving. See it? Drag it. Nice and tight. That one. This truck has always had a fuel problem since I started working on it. Plus the primer pump here was shot. So this comes as an assembly from Mac. Fittings, regulators, filter housing, primer pump, one assembly, bolt on and go. So we'll start there, prime everything, bleed it, clear codes, and see where we're at. What are you doing over there, boy? Same thing, Mike says, same thing I'm paying for, nothing. Nice, kid. All right, we'll see here.